Please select the model of your phone.
Selecting the model of the phone.
Please select the type of tempered glass.
Selecting the privacy tempered glass.
Please confirm the information on the screen and select a payment method.
No refund allowed.
Please follow the on-screen instructions and place your credit card on the top sensing area of the POS machine.
Then
Please remove the phone protective case, protective film, and phone decorations. Click the understand button and the compartment door will open. The compartment door is open. Please place your phone with the screen facing up, the charging port towards yourself in the center of the tray. The phone has been placed. The compartment door will close soon. Please keep your hands away from the door to avoid getting caught. The device is currently in operation and it will take approximately 100 seconds. You can see the progress on the screen. Please wait patiently.
It'll take 100 seconds. Yes.
என்ன கம்பெனி இந்த கம்பெனி ரெட்மியில் ரெட்மி கூட சொல்லுங்கள் கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஓட்டுறது மேனுவல் ஓட்டுறது எவ்வளோ டிஃப்ரெண்ட் இருக்குமா இந்த டைமில் யாராவது கால் பண்ணிட்டா என்னங்க ஆகும் இதுதான் முதல் கஸ்டமராக இருக்குது